Come on.
Yeah, my hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I end up talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping out the shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be not to conscious, bitch, that's the consequence. I got this, I will not quit, and I'm on it, honest. I go launch quick, and I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the line and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and
Talaytay
just enjoy
or
the climb.
langtad sa nakuan. Bakong giyon. Dapat lang siguro kayo dito.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never profit. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, profit. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. I'm topic, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Back, better back, make it back.
Tulin kayo.
I'm back to the back. Gun and act, that's a fact. We attack in a back, so we act, no we act. Think I'm black, up his act. While I rap, not a step. Throw a jab, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man. Got a plan better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. Get to die, man, I'm right, yeah.
Shows how it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Run, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, would you rate me? All the social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, lately. Everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, and I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, looking for some real time. Talk about the real crime, passionate in real time. Steal time back from my 9 to 5. Taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.
When it happens, factions take actions, drafting their captains, it's happening. I'm raising my status, facing the madness. I'm the distractions, I'm snapping, no captions, attracting reactions, adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits, I don't fucking have it, I just fucking grab it. I am never static, massively active, expanding, backslid, planning to have it. So I will go capture it, and I'ma stay after it. I'm gonna fucking master it, put them on plastic, they will never last it. Don't be so dramatic, not my demographic. This shit is democratic, they phone effects, yeah, bitch.
Kani may kuya, may anid ako kuan. Mas masulod ang ligid. Nga to ba daw bangag niya, masulod ang ligid. Tandun ako gamay para na video kay JB. Montol. Lab ngilang ko.
Tama gitu.
Man. Gamay, gamay.
Bahay. Sayo pa yun.
Najam ni mo no.
Oh. Tama so.
Sinakuan gamay gid. Yung diri.
Okay ra, diri na problema. Tama gitu.
Man. Kira.
Kira.
Hawaii.
Sayo pa.
Nakuha gitu. Bakit
Sayo
bakit
pa.
ando ni mo ron sa tayo mong gi. Najam na siguro dito no.
Niambak lagi.
Pero
Sayo pa eh.
pero may gani na bangag gamay.
Tama siya gamay. Sayo pa yung giaswat ng gamay eh.
Diri?
Dili ko. Nabulian ko na ako.
Oh, may pasito pa rin dala na. Ina ni deka ako ano to, bahala ka na. Di na mo pag to.
Diri ta ato oh. Langtad. Asa ta langtad. Pwede ta diri langtad nga katong pilapilan. Okay ra lapok. Uslan mo no. Ulo. Patay na ni. Wag. Oh. Wala may kuan ani. Pwede lagi mo lagi tag sapat berarti na siguro.
Tapa sa
Kanang diha sa kuan. Dala limpyo sa bike di lalang. Or pwede ra pud ta laos na kuan.
ako mga daw.
Kuan na ta highway. Gawa sa highway. Langtad.
Ato ka nga tanda na.
Oh. Tulog pa siguro ko iguman ani. Mura. Api. Gani abi na ako git-git pa kayo nga alas 6. Gaandam ta ko sa kong suga nga sa loyo.
Hayag na no.
Baga ay hayag naman di ay. Ya. Dili sa oh, dili gyud kay sa kuan ko tunga igo ra gyud narata sa kilid. Ang tawa ni. O ano eh, mo drift man ang ligid.
Yung tawag ako.
Mura gyud lagi tarong. Kanang dili kayo lisod ba pero aga nagtawo no. Nindot na yan eh. Piskot eh. Nasulod ba ko sa lapok? Agay, hugawas akong bike. Okay ra ingani gid no. Nang murag kuan ba? Beginner friendly ba? Kay kung dito sa karkar murag apike ba. Pero mubo lang kaayo. Awa. Okay ra gyud kita nga to, yan ba?
Ari na punta sa lapok na to.
Na diha na unahan. Nindot ta to taas-taas tinga to lang eh. Hingani lang ba? Masig na dito sa kuan. Hindi nagtawo pero na po nadulog kaayo. Yung murag pareha ilak puput-put. Ito ay. Mapiki man pud og dili kanang full kuan. Ang bike na to kanang dili walay suspension sa loyo ba? Mauntol man gid ta. Okay ra gingani. Hinahinay lang. So, view ra ba? Nay. Ano na, dire. Nalong kayo. Gao na, mag-iad pa man eh. Ako ganagid ni. Wala. Di sa dog. Langtad na. Sa? Tanga noon gamay ra. Naog sa basketan.
Kaya rin nasunod. Taas na hangin ba?
Ano, yan na ito naglapos og katang na. Dami nag-imagination. Diri unahan, talaytay. Lagi ko ano, bata oh. Diri, GD. Oh. Diri, patalaytay ni. Pwede po diri, unahan.